So today is Sunday, January 12th, and today I learned that in social situations, this is the most obvious advice I could ever give for social situations, but don't feel like you need to be impressing the people around you. And don't change who you are based on who you think they will approve of or they will accept or, like more as a friend or something like that, right? Because that's gonna hurt you because, you're not actually being yourself and you're just seeking validation and seeking approval from others. But also, it's just hurtful to the entire relationship because they don't actually know the true you. And I think that's kind of something that has been really frustrating for me recently, because sometimes when I'm around people, I change who I am when I'm around them, and I don't like the person that I'm changing to when I'm around those people. And I don't think that you should, just because you think they're cool or just because you want to be friends with them doesn't mean you should change who you are because of that. Right? And not be you, right? So being you, within social situations is so basic, but it's very important, and it's something that I need to keep learning myself. Just being you and not, conforming to their, what they want or what they will accept, right? So yeah, you can still be friends with people and not change yourself according to their standards, right? And I don't know, that's just been something I've been constantly needing to learn, to just, don't always seek approval. Don't always think that you need to be seeking approval and seeking validation. That's kind of the big picture here. Don't always seek approval and seek validation from others, especially others that you don't really approve of their values, right? Because seeking approval and seeking validation only boosts your ego, and it just doesn't really help. And it can be helpful, right? It can be very helpful when you're working really hard at something and you want others to see that. You want others to see what you've built or what you've changed or what you've done, right? But constantly seeking approval and changing yourself in order to seek that approval, changing yourself in a way that you don't like and changing yourself in a way that's not you, I don't think is good. So yeah, don't always be seeking approval from others, and don't be ashamed to be you, and don't shame others for being themselves. I think that's a big thing too. Because everyone is different. Everyone has their own personality and characteristics, and disregarding that, trying to make everyone all the same, trying to make people conform to your reality or conforming yourself to someone else's reality just disregards the nuances of each person. So yeah, the only person that you should be seeking validation from is your creator. And that's kind of the thing that I learned today, I guess. Just don't seek validation from others, especially others with values that you don't approve of or don't value the same. And you should really only be seeking validation from your creator, because that's what's most important. So that's what I learned today. It's kind of a short one, but hopefully it connected with someone. Hopefully this spoke to someone who really needed it. If it did, then definitely hit the like button. Leave a comment down below if you have any thoughts, if this connected with you. Join my Patreon. The Patreon has kind of been rough recently. I'm going to be honest. It's kind of hard. It's been hard to balance stuff like my YouTube and my Patreon and the new things that I want to add to my YouTube and my Patreon, plus I have all my school and just life outside of this, so it's been kind of hard, so bear with me. But if you want to get discussion posts from my for my videos, or just things that I've been thinking about, things that I think we should be discussing more, then definitely join my Patreon. There's also a community chat where you can share what you guys learned today, which I think is really fun. So it's completely free, so I'll have the link in the description. Yeah, it's been kind of rough recently trying to balance stuff and trying to continue making good content for you guys that's really valuable and helpful. So I would really appreciate a like and subscribe, and a comment and join my Patreon, because that's really helps. Yeah, this video is specifically recommended for you, so if you find that interesting, then definitely give it a watch. You can subscribe in that corner. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.